The human mind is undoubtedly a complicated fabric with many psychiatric illnesses that can be both interesting and baffling. This video examines 10 distinct psychological diseases, shining the light on the variety of mental health issues. Let's have a look at the first one. Capgras Delusion. Capgras Delusion is a rare disorder where individuals believe that their close friends or family members have been replaced by identical impostors. This delusion stems from a disruption in the brain's ability to connect emotions with facial recognition. Cotard syndrome. Cotard syndrome, also known as the walking corpse syndrome, manifests with patients holding the delusional belief that they are dead, do not exist, or have lost vital organs. This disorder is often associated with severe depression. Alien hand syndrome. Alien hand syndrome is characterized by the involuntary, purposeful movement of one hand that seems to act independently of the person's will. It results from disconnections between brain regions responsible for voluntary and involuntary movements. Boanthropy. Boanthropy is a rare psychological disorder in which individuals believe they are cows or oxen. Those affected may behave like these animals, grazing on grass and avoiding human interaction. The origins of this disorder are not fully understood. Paris syndrome. Paris syndrome is an acute form of culture shock, predominantly affecting Japanese tourists visiting Paris. Symptoms include hallucinations, delusions, and acute psychiatric distress, often triggered by the stark contrast between idealized expectations and the reality of the city. Trichotillomania. Trichotillomania is an impulse control disorder characterized by the compulsive urge to pull out one's hair. This disorder is often related to stress and anxiety, and individuals may experience a sense of relief after pulling out hair strands. Stendhal syndrome. Stendhal syndrome, also known as hyperculturemia, is a psychosomatic disorder, causing rapid heartbeat, dizziness, and even fainting. This happens as an individual is exposed to a particularly beautiful or overwhelming work of art. Fregoli delusion. Fregoli delusion is a rare disorder in which individuals believe that different people are actually the same person in disguise. This leads to a constant sense of paranoia and the belief that the disguised person is following them. Pica. Pica is a disorder characterized by the compulsive consumption of non-nutritive, non-food substances, such as hair, paper, soil, and even nails. This behavior is not culturally supported and can lead to serious health complications. Erotomania. Erotomania is a delusional disorder in which an individual believes that someone, usually of higher social status, is in love with them. Despite lack of evidence, the person remains convinced of a romantic connection, often leading to obsessive behaviors. These 10 psychological diseases provide insight into the fascinating and wide range of human thought. Understanding such situations not only advances the discipline of psychology, but it also stresses the significance of mental health awareness and assistance for those who face these particular obstacles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more interesting stuff.